absolutely genius, man. And so let's take a look. It's called Gym for You, okay? And when you guys see this, you're going to poop your pants. You're going to poop them, okay? Because look at this. He's got 1.8 million subs, okay? You want to see how long he's had a channel? Let's do that. 2015. That's 4 years. He's had this channel for 4 years with no issues. And I'll show you why he hasn't had any issues. And then when you see how much money he's made, you're really going to poop your pants, okay? So it might even be diarrhea. I'm not okay. His last video, 1.1 million views. He hasn't even posted a video in 2 months because he makes so much money he doesn't even freaking care. Okay? Look at this. He's got ads, okay? 100% making money on this, and he's making his videos, which you'll see. 50 action stars then and now. Does this not? It's literally copyright-free music. And all he's doing is panning pictures of celebrities. Okay, I know a student that actually made a lot of money just panning, like, Instagram pictures. But look at this. It's celebrities, right? It's celebrities. And so people watch it like crazy because they're freaking brainwashed by celebrities. And all he's doing is panning pictures of celebrities then and now. And then putting a little text and music over it. No talking, no showing your face, nothing like that. And this is like extremely easy to do. And I will show you because I'm going to be doing this too. And I'll tell you what. So you guys can try it too, but I'm going to be doing it. And I'm going to be using that software. And I'm going to be getting this done because this is freaking genius. And then he also does Bradley Cooper's Lifestyle 2019. Look at this crap. He's got ads all over it. He's scrolling his freaking life. Look, sibling. How easy is that? Him and his sister, Bradley Cooper. Like, how easy is that to Google and then just pan the images? Okay? Wait till you see how much money he's making, though. I can't wait to show you that. Look, ex-spouse. And it's just freaking spanning pictures. And that's what every single one of these is, guys. Top 5 WWE superstars, cute daughter. The top 5 superstars with cute daughters. I mean, all you gotta do is come up with that idea, and then people just watch this crap like crazy. Look, 218,000 views on it. Okay? I mean, that's all he's doing. And that, I actually have heard that song before. That is literally, he's just getting those from probably Epidemic Sound, I believe, is where that one's from. Or else it's, no, that one's not from Epidemic Sound. It's free. It's free. It's a free song. But anyway, that's the easiest thing in the world I've ever seen to do. And you're not going to get demonetized. You're not going to get deleted because you're making your own content. It just so happens that it's really easy content, right? And as I showed you before, YouTube doesn't care if you have your face in it. They don't care if you're talking in it. So as long as you're doing editing, which this dude's totally doing, and it can be that easy, guys. And inside the course, I show you how you can do all of this, especially the masterclass, the editing. I show you how to do all this. So you could literally, when you're done with that course, be able to make this exact channel or something just like it. And, you know, the sky's the limit. You could do sports athletes. You could do all kinds of things where you just pan pictures of them. So freaking easy to do. But watch this. 731, 303, 627. And I think he had like 5 or 6 ads, right? So he was close to doing an ad every like 3 minutes. So if you did something like that, you're going to get probably about a 10% click-through rate on your ads, okay? So times 0.10, that's 73 million clicks. Every click gives you around 3 cents, okay? Yep. 2 million. And even if we wanted to go extremely safe and say 731 million, 303, 627, multiply that by... Let's go extremely safe, 0.05, 5% click-through rate. And then let's say he gets 0.027 CPM, which you're not going to get anything close to lower than that, okay? The safest estimate still puts him at 1 million, and that is definitely under. I guarantee you that's under. How crazy is that, guys? That is, like, insane. It's one of the most genius ideas I've ever seen. I'm super stoked about it because I can't wait to try it out myself.